I'm Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. If you're looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majinbu Food Services. The link is in the description down below.
Buttered garlic fried chicken. We need 1 whole chicken, 2 eggs, water, calamansi, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 head garlic minced, half a cup all-purpose flour, half a cup cornstarch, basil leaves, oregano, cayenne pepper, Spanish paprika, white pepper, salt, cooking oil, vinegar, pan and turner, butter or margarine, measuring spoon, tongs, plate, spoon and fork, and disposable kitchen towel. Add salt, white pepper, cayenne pepper, Spanish paprika, basil leaves, oregano, one large calamansi, marinate for 15 minutes room temperature. For butter, we need cornstarch, all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, white pepper, cayenne pepper, Spanish paprika, oregano, basil leaves, mix it well. Add 2 eggs, mix it until well incorporated. And 1/4 cup water. Mix it until well incorporated. This is the consistency of butter. Pour the cooking oil. Fry the minced garlic to infuse the flavor of garlic to your cooking oil for flavor and garnish. Put your garlic on plate with paper towel. Put the chicken in the butter. Pan fry the chicken. Fry the chicken until golden brown on both sides in low to medium flame. Fry the rest of the chicken. Melt your butter. Pour over fried chicken and shake until your chicken is well coated with butter. Put it in your serving dish and garnish with fried garlic. Our finished product, buttered garlic fried chicken.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all! Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day! Thank you for watching.